Hi, I'm Fatima.
And I'm Alejandra.
We are Montessori moms, and we want to show you some tips on how to do Montessori at home.
In your home.
Yes.
Have you seen Montessori helps to develop the 5 senses, and this is an exercise that you can do at home with the materials you already have. And we're gonna do the sound cylinders or sound boxes. What we have right here is salt or sugar, some rocks, rice, and pom-poms. This is what we're gonna use for this exercise.
You can use any two different elements, and of course you can mix it up once the kid gets used to the sounds. You can trick them by switch it around so you have a new exercise every time. So she's gonna show us how it works, and this is an example. We thought about it because we have a lot of questions from moms about Montessori. Mommies loves it, and we realized that this is something mommies can do at home.
Yes, what we have over here is 2 sets of colors of boxes or containers with the same objects that they will do the sound, and the child has to find the sound. So let me show you what we're gonna do here, Fatima.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix them.
Okay.
And we're gonna put the same color on the top. We always try to start from left to right because that's the way the child will write and read.
Okay.
So we're gonna start over here, putting the same colors on the top.
So it can really be any container. It can be something that you use of one same thing, and maybe just paint the lid. So it can be anything you can use at home. What we're trying to explain to you is that you can use materials at home, and you can make it simple for you.
And the Montessori, it's for everybody, and we want to show you things that you can do at home.
All right.
Okay, so this is the first box, Fatima.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in next to your ear, and you're gonna shake it and listen to the sound.
Okay.
So in the next thing you will do, you're gonna find the same sound trying all those boxes.
All right.
So you're gonna do each box at a time, and that's the way the child will use his sense of hearing.
Okay, I think I got it right.
Yeah, and what we want when you show it to a kid, just try to do it slow so the child with slow movements will understand more the concept.
So this is one of the things you can do at home. You can, incorporate it. The way the Montessori system is that you use a tray like this and keeps different exercises on a tray. So when you're ready to present it to the child, he will know where to get it from and also where to place it back. Because part of the things we do at the Montessori system is we keep them organized, and you teach your child how to keep everything around him organized. So one of the ways to start introducing this is with the exercises.
So this is Alejandra.
And this is Fatima.
And thank you for listening.